anterior cerebral artery segment 2, anterior cerebral artery segment 3. Right and left anterior cerebral artery, left anterior cerebral artery segment 1, left anterior cerebral artery segment 2, left anterior cerebral artery segment 3. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you all? Comments below. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Today I will share how to read cerebral artery. Right internal carotid artery, right middle cerebral artery segment 1 from the carotid artery, middle cerebral artery segment 2, middle cerebral artery segment 3, right anterior cerebral artery segment 1, anterior communicating artery, right anterior cerebral artery segment 2, right anterior cerebral artery segment 3, right and left anterior cerebral artery, left anterior cerebral artery segment 1, middle cerebral artery left side segment 1, middle cerebral artery segment 2, and middle cerebral artery segment 3. Left internal carotid artery, right and left vertebral artery, basilar artery, right posterior cerebral artery, left posterior cerebral artery, right superior cerebral artery, left superior cerebral artery, again right internal carotid artery, middle cerebral artery segment 1 from the internal carotid artery, middle cerebral artery segment 2, middle cerebral artery segment 3, anterior cerebral artery segment 1, anterior communicating artery, anterior cerebral artery segment 2, anterior cerebral artery segment 3, right and left anterior cerebral artery, left anterior cerebral artery segment 1, left middle cerebral artery segment 1, left middle cerebral artery segment 2, left middle cerebral artery segment 3, left internal carotid artery, left vertebral artery, basilar artery, right posterior cerebral artery, left posterior cerebral artery, right and left superior cerebral artery, right internal carotid artery, middle cerebral artery segment 1, middle cerebral artery segment 2, middle cerebral artery segment 3. This is right side of the brain. Anterior cerebral artery segment 1, anterior communicating artery, anterior cerebral artery segment 2, anterior cerebral artery segment 3. Right and left anterior cerebral artery, left anterior cerebral artery segment 1, left internal carotid artery, left middle cerebral artery segment 1, left middle cerebral artery segment 2, and left middle cerebral artery segment 3. right and left vertebral artery, basilar artery, right and left cerebral artery, posterior cerebral artery segment 1, posterior cerebral artery segment 2, and posterior cerebral artery segment 3. Again, another axial view, right internal carotid artery, right middle cerebral artery segment 1, right middle cerebral artery segment 2, right middle cerebral artery segment 3. This is right side of the brain, left internal carotid artery, left middle cerebral artery segment 1, left middle cerebral artery segment 2, left middle cerebral artery segment 3. Right and left vertebral artery, basilar artery, right posterior cerebral artery segment 1, right posterior cerebral artery segment 2, right posterior cerebral artery segment 3. 3D picture of cerebral artery, right internal carotid artery, middle cerebral artery segment 1 from the internal carotid artery, middle cerebral artery segment 2, middle cerebral artery segment 3. Anterior cerebral artery segment 1, anterior cerebral artery segment 2, anterior cerebral artery segment 3. Right and left anterior cerebral artery, left anterior cerebral artery segment 1, left anterior cerebral artery segment 2, left anterior cerebral artery segment 3. Internal carotid artery, right and left vertebral artery, basilar artery, right posterior cerebral artery, left posterior cerebral artery, again right internal carotid artery, middle cerebral artery segment 1, middle cerebral artery segment 2, middle cerebral artery segment 3. Right and left anterior cerebral artery segment 2, right and left anterior cerebral artery segment 1, right and left anterior cerebral artery segment 3. Medial cerebral artery segment 1, medial cerebral artery segment 2, medial cerebral artery segment 3. Internal carotid artery, right and left vertebral artery, basilar artery, right posterior cerebral artery, left posterior cerebral artery. If you want, you can hit the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.